हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आपकी एचपी हाई कोर्ट का जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था। अम, ये आपका क्लर्क का एग्ज़ाम हुआ था एंड ये जो मैं आंसर्स आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रही हूँ ये मेयरली जो हैं आपके मतलब जो ऑफिशियल आंसर की है ये उस पे बेस्ड है ये आंसर्स जो मैं आपको अभी बताने वाली हूँ। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ विच कंट्री होस्टेड द 2022 फीफा वर्ल्ड कप? So the right answer is A, Qatar. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations? So D, New York is the right answer. Next is which is the largest desert in the world? C, Antarctica is the right answer. Next is which country is not a G7 member? So इसका जो आपका right answer रहने वाला है वो है D, India. Then is fifth question, who is the current UN Secretary General? इसका आपका राइट आंसर बी रहने वाला है। नेक्स्ट इज सिक्स क्वेश्चन, विच स्ट्रेट सेपरेट्स यूरोप एंड एशिया? सो ए इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मॉनिटर्स ग्लोबल हेल्थ? सो ए is the right answer. Next is eighth question, which country has the most Nobel Prize winners? So D is the right answer. Next is which country recently exited the EU? Then the right answer is A. Next is 10th question, which is cited as the longest river in the world. So right answer of 10th question is D. Next is 11th question, which country is known as the land of rising sun? So A is the right answer. Next question, 12th question is which city is home to EU headquarters? So 12th is this question and D is the right answer. Next is the smallest planet in the solar system. The smallest planet in the solar system is C. Next is 14th question. The Eiffel Tower is located in which country? So D is the right answer. Next question is 15th. Which country is the largest by land area amongst these? The 15th right answer is C, Russia. Next is 16th. Under which article can the president of India declare a national emergency? So C is the right answer. Article 352. Next is 17th question. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? So B is the right answer. Next is 18th question. Which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-deflection law? So right answer is B. Next is 19th question. The concept of judicial review in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? So the right answer is B. Next question is the directive principle of state policy are non-adjustable. Which article mentioned this feature? So C is the right answer, Article 37. Next is 21 question. The first session of the Indian National Congress in 1885 was held at. So A is the right answer. Now let's talk about 22nd question. Who founded Arya Samaj? So B is the right answer in 1875. So B is the right answer. Next is 23 question. The Albert Bill controversy occurred during the tenure of which viceroy? So the right answer is C. Next is 24th question. The slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was given by. So the right answer is B. Next question is this Simon Commission. 25th question. The Simon Commission was boycotted by. So B is the right answer. Boycotted because it has no Indian member in. B is the right members. B is the right answer. Next is 26. The non-cooperation movement was called off by Gandhi after which incident? So the right answer is C. Next is 27th question. The Indian National Army was reorganized by Subhash Chandra Bose in which country? So the right answer is A, Singapore. Next is 28th question. Which isotope is commonly used for dating archaeological findings? Radiocarbon dating. So it is carbon 14. C is the right answer. Next is 29th question. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. B is the right answer. Next is 30. Which part of the brain regulates the body and body temperature and hunger? So the right answer is D, hypothalamus. Next is the rate of reaction, a chemical reaction is increased by. C is the adding a catalyst. C is the right answer. Next is 32. Which vitamin is water soluble and not stored in the body? So vitamin B and C both are water soluble. So right over here the right answer is C. C. Next question, 33. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of iodine? Goiter. C is the right answer. Next is 34th question. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? कौन सी गैस रिलीज होती है photosynthesis के टाइम पे? So that is oxygen. Next is 35th question. Okay, what is the main component of biogas? So the right answer is C, methane. Next is who is the current Chief Justice of India? So right answer is B. Next is 37. Who is the current chairman of Rajya Sabha? The right answer is B. Next is who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India as of 2025? The right answer is D. Next is who is the present chief election commissioner of India? Right answer is C. Next, yes, C. Next, 40th question. Who is the current speaker of Lok Sabha? B is the right answer. Next is which article of the Indian Constitution established the Supreme Court of India? So the right answer is B. What is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge in India? The right answer is C. Next question. The collegium system is in appointments is related to. The right answer is C. Next is which Indian state is known as land of five rivers, popular for cultural tourism? So D is the sorry, C is the right answer. Next question is 45th question. The Incredible India campaign was launched by which ministry? So right answer is D. Next is 46th question. Which city is widely known as yoga capital of the world, attracting tourists globally? So is right answer is Rishikesh, B. Next question is 47th question. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in. So right answer is B. Next question is 48th question. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, is a major tourist attraction in. So the right answer is C. Next is Mushroom City, 49th question. Mushroom City of India is in. So the right answer is B, Himachal. Next is 50th question. The Himachal Pradesh High Court was established in. Right answer is D, 1971. 51st question. The Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by. So the right answer is B. Next is 52. The first Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court was. So the right answer is D. Now the next question, 53rd question. Who became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in wrestling? So the right answer is D. Next is the first Indian cricketer to score a double century in one day international is. So the right answer is C. Next is 55th question. The Khelo India Youth Games was launched by the government of India in. So the right answer is B, 2018. Next is which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for filtering blood? So B is the right answer. Next is 57th question. The smallest bone in the human body is in. C is the right answer. Next is 58th question. Which part of the brain controls the balance and coordination? So D is the right answer. Next is the largest internal organ of human body is. So C, liver is the right answer. Next is red blood cells are primarily produced in. So C is the right answer. Next question. Next question. The Green Revolution of India is mainly associated with. So C is the right answer. Next is soil erosion can be prevented by which method? So C is the right answer. Next is 63rd question. Which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? So C is the right answer. Next question, 64th question. Which mission aims to provide tap water connections to all rural households by so the right answer is C. Next is the Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana offers health insurance coverage to eligible families up to. So D is the right answer. Next is 66th question. What does the IP address identify in a computer network? So C is the right answer. Next is what is the role of an operating system in a computer? So C is the right answer. Next is 68. What does finishing refers in the context of cybersecurity? So C is the right answer. Next is which of these is an open source operating system? So the right answer is B. Next is 70. Which of the following is not a function of a web browser? So B is the right answer. Next question is 71. 71. If the price of a shirt is increased from 500 rupees to 575 rupees, what is the percentage of increase? So the correct answer is B, 15%. Next is which regulatory body is responsible for regulating the securities market in India? So the right answer is B. Next is 73rd question. What is the full form of the term NSE? So the right answer is A, National Stock Exchange. Now the next question, 74th question. What is the scientific name of apple? So A is the right answer. Next is B. Next is 75th question. A is the right answer for 74th. Which of the following is the primary psychoactive compound in found in alcoholic beverages? So B is the right answer, ethanol. Next is 76th. Which of the following can be used as evidence for alcohol consumption while driving under the Motor Vehicle Act? So D is the right answer. Next is 77th question. The Sundarbans is located in which part of India? So C is the right answer. Next is 78th question. The Thar Desert is primarily located in which of the following Indian state? So the correct answer is A. What is the scientific name of Himalayan cedar? So A is the right answer. Next is 80th question. The Naranda University of one of the ancient world's greatest center of learning was founded during the reign of ruler. Was that? A is the right answer. Next is BODMAS is used to remember the order operations in mathematics. Which of the following is correctly represented by the full form of BODMAS? So आप if you know कि BODMAS का जो full form है, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, then D stands for division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So A is the right answer. Next is 82. What does machine learning refers in AI? So the right answer is C. Next question. 83rd question. What is the study of weather and atmosphere known as? So the right answer is C. Next is 84th question. Which branch of science is concerned with the motion, force and energy? So B is the right answer. Next question is 85th question. Which dam is built on the Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh? So A is the right answer. Next is 86th. Which Himachal town is known as Queen of Hill? So C, Shimla is the right answer. Next is 87th. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in which district? So B is the right answer. Next is 88th question. Which famous fair is celebrated in Bilaspur district of HP? So the right answer is D. Next is 89th question. Who founded the princely state of Chamba? So the right answer इज बी, साहिल वर्मन। इफ़ अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस देखते हो तो ये हमने जो प्रिंसली स्टेट्स थे और जो यहाँ के आपके टाउन्स थे किसने फाउंड किए थे, हिमाचल के, ये सारे मैंने डिस्कस किए उसमें, हैंडमेड नोट्स है। नेक्स्ट इज 90th क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पीक इन हिमाचल प्रदेश? सो डी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट वन इज 91, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन गवर्नर ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश? सो बी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 92, द भूरी सिंह म्यूजियम इज लोकेटेड इन सी, चंबा इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज हिमाचल जीके की हमने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं, मोस्टली वहीं से ये क्वेश्चन आए हैं। मतलब आप देख सकते हो, वीडियोस है चैनल पे बनी हुई, आप वो देख सकते हो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द कांगड़ा पेंटिंग्स बिलोंग टू विच स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट? सो द राइट आंसर इज सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 94th क्वेश्चन, which Himachal district is famous for trout fishing? So the right answer is D. Next question, 95th question. I said 94th क्वेश्चन का बी आंसर दिया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अपॉइंट्स द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट इज विच पास लाइज बिटवीन लाहौल स्पीति एंड Spiti, Lahaul and Spiti, which pass lies? So 96th C is the right answer. Next is 97, which shape has only one pair of parallel sides? So trapezium is the right answer. C is the right answer. Next is 98th question, a circle has a radius of 3 centimeter when its area, so you will apply the formula and the answer is C. 99th, what is the area of a triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter? एंड अगर आप इस फॉर्मूला को अप्लाई करोगे एंड आपको जो आंसर आएगा वो है 20 centimeter square. Next is last question, which of the following correctly explains the Pythagoras theorem? So B is the right answer. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये वाली क्वेश्चंस आपको आगे भी हेल्प करने वाले हैं और वीडियोस में। सो आप इन वीडियोस को चेकआउट कर सकते हो। और भी जो हिमाचल जीके की वीडियोज़ है आप वो कंटेंट चेक कर सकते हो, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा वो। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू सो मच। चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक कर दो। थैंक यू सो मच।